You're getting ready to crush Fran, but you can't even make it through your warm-ups without your wrists hurting. You've tried stretching and that doesn't seem to be helping. This might be a situation where the site of the pain is not actually the source of the pain. As you can see, how I'm holding the bar right now is putting a huge amount of stress on my wrists, but by simply increasing the height of my elbows, I can redistribute those forces to my shoulder. This is, however, going to require a decent amount of shoulder mobility. Here's an exercise that you can use to open those shoulders up and to relieve that wrist pain once and for all. To perform this exercise, grab a resistance band and loop it around the elbows like shown. Then, grab onto a PVC pipe with a double underhand grip, getting your hands as wide as you can while keeping the elbows relaxed. From there, you're going to lift the arms as high as it feels like you can until you get that stretch and hold for 20 to 30 seconds for 2 or 3 rounds. The trick with this exercise is to keep the elbows relaxed and to make sure that the ribs don't pop up so that you are actually getting the stretch that you intend so that you can offload those wrists and get back to nailing Fran. Oh, that sounds sexual.